everyone, and welcome to Ton of Fun Autos. And in today's video, we're going to be working on the VZ SS Ute. Now today we're going to be fitting it with a new radiator. Those that are new to the channel, if you go back a few videos, you'll see that we took the Ute racing last year and it ran into an overheating problem. Now that wasn't due just to it being a standard radiator. It was also the restricted airflow coming into the front of the car. We fixed that up at the event and the car didn't have an overheating problem for the rest of the event. I filmed this footage a few days ago. The radiator went in fine. Everything was really good on it. The only problem I ran into was that it got a big airlock in it when bleeding it back up. So I let the car run for a while and the temperature built, obviously, because it wasn't getting the water flow. So I had to turn it off, and luckily once I turned it off and the car cooled, it managed to push the airlock through itself. So once it had cooled down enough, all I had to do was take the radiator cap off, fill it with some more fluid, and start it back up, let it run for a while. It pushed a few little bubbles out, not anything big after that, and took it for a couple of drives now, and it seems to be just running perfectly. Now the brand of radiator that I went with was a Fenix. Now the guys at Fenix were really good to deal with. We ran into a delivery problem. The company that was delivering it said the parcel was undeliverable. So I contacted the guys at Fenix and they were just incredible. They were kept in contact with me. It took a few days and then all of a sudden the parcel just arrived. So I don't know if they stuck the boot up someone's ass at that end or what the go was, but the guys at Fenix were incredible to deal with, and I can't thank them enough for getting the parcel here. And I mean, it looks like a really good product. You'll see it in the video. I think it looks really good, and so far it's performing really well. But anyway, that's enough of me talking. Let's jump to the footage from a few days ago and check out how this radiator went in. So there we have it, guys. The radiator is in and working. No leaks, no airlocks, working perfectly. I think it looks really good in there. Fits really well. One thing to note, I did put new top and bottom hoses on the radiator. I just thought that was a smart thing to do while I had it out, just so that we're limiting anything that can fail while on track. So there you go, guys. The radiator's in, looks great, and it performs even better. Now this is a pretty simple job that you can do it yourself at home. Just be mindful of airlocks. It's something that you've just got to be thinking about when running the car and bleeding up the system again. But anyways, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And hopefully there'll be a few more videos coming, and then we'll be off to the racetrack and we'll bring you some more content from the track. But anyway, guys, until next time, keep driving the dream.